With beehives coming in from all around the country, disease can spread more rapidly amongst the hives, leading to colony collapse disorder. In the journal Honeybee Colony Collapse Disorder, it is reported that by the end of 2006, beekeepers on the West Coast began to report unprecedented losses of beehive colonies. 2006 marks the beginning of the almond boom in California, which is also when the start of an increased number of colony losses were reported. Figure 12 shows that between the years 1985 and 2020, there have been a significant decline in honeybee colonies throughout California. However, when we take a closer look at Stanislaus County, California, we see that the number of colonies has increased between 2002 and 2012. There is no further data to see if the amount of colonies between 2012 and 2020 in Stanislaus County, California has declined or continued to increase. The assumption would be that the number of colonies would have decreased between this time period because when looking at the overall state of California for the number of colonies, there shows to be a steady decline between 2012 and 2020. This data offers insight to the possibility that the growth of almond production is putting a strain on colonies, but does not link the two in a concrete way. Overall, the purpose of this project was to visualize the impact the growing almond industry is having in California, and particularly in Stanislaus County, California. Through the different visuals of datasets, from the pesticide-impaired waters to the critical habitats to the change in wildlife, it is clear that the growth in almond production is having some adverse effects on the natural resources, wildlife, and habitats that make up this area. If this growth continues at the rate at which it is, there could be no clean water left, all habitats can be destroyed, and the amount of endangered or extinct species can become an unmanageable amount. Some kind of regulations need to be put into place to regulate the amount of land and water that can strictly be dedicated to almond production in California, while looking for more sustainable nut resources that could grow easier with the conditions of California. For more information or to take a closer look at all these maps, visit my story map. Thanks for watching, guys.